Hi guys! Today we are leaving Tokyo to spend 2 nights in Hakone. We'll be getting there via this Romancecar from Shinjuku Station. So excited! But first, we're going to get our ekiben or train bento so that we can enjoy lunch during our train ride to Hakone. There's a couple of shops selling ekiben at Shinjuku Station. Let's check out this one. Wow, there's so many choices. So difficult to pick one. Everything looks so good. Wide selection of drinks too. Picking out an ekiben, especially for first-timers like us, is such a fun experience. Our advice, do allow yourself more time to do this, especially if it's your first time. It also took us a while to locate the ekiben shop, as Shinjuku Station was huge. Hi guys, we're waiting to board the Romancecar to Hakone. It's about 80 minutes, right? Yeah, people waiting here, and this train is pretty fast, so yeah, we should be there probably in 80 minutes right around. Yeah, cabin 3. Bye guys. Hi guys, we are now seated in the Romancecar. It's not a car, it's a train guys actually. Heading towards Hakone. It'll take about 80 minutes. Really cool, it looks like an airplane seat, right? You can actually recline. And here, the hooks for you to hook your things. And incidentally, we bought ourselves a bento set. Some tea, myself, cold ones. My wife, she preferred a warm one. Hi guys. Alright, coming back to this car. Yes, I say it's pretty neat, you know, on the side here, you get to pop it up here, you know, there's a table, and cup holder, you can enjoy your lunch or your breakfast or your dinner, right guys? Sound like you know, reminds you of the school lecture hall, right, kind of things, right? So yeah, pretty clean, pretty neat. So yeah, as I said, well, looking forward to Hakone. So until we talk again, if you like our content, do give us thumbs up and subscribe guys.
I'm going to try pulling and heating up my bento now. Yep, I think... Is that how you do it? Just pull? Okay. It doesn't seem to be coming out. Okay, done. I can hear the sound of something boiling inside and you can see the steam coming out. Yeah. Very light steam, and yeah, the box is getting hot. In fact, I can smell a bit of the food right now. Pretty cool, huh?
So guys, the lunch is cooked, so let's review what's inside. We ordered a beef set though. There you go. Guys, beef, yes it is, beef, rice, some vermicelli, some vegetables, and hi guys. So it comes in many variations. Now this is one of them. Guys, I'm gonna tuck into my lunch right now. Bye bye.
So guys, there's actually a vending machine on carriage 4 and we're going to get some drinks now, which is very convenient, and there's toilets as well on the train. So, and there's even an area for you to wash your hands if you want. So it's all very well thought up, I would say, and very comfortable to travel on this train. So we're going to get some drinks now. I think I'll get myself this iced lemon tea. Some coins. Okay, now I'm getting something for my husband as well. Darling, what would you like to have?
I think I'll have the same one for the apple juice.
Okay. Oh, those are. Apple juice? Apple juice. Yeah.
We will soon arrive at Hakone.
Let's go back to our seats now.
getting a rental car. First time driving in Japan. I need the international driving license, and make sure you drive along highway. You need the ETC card. I just love to drive, you know. Taking too many trains in Japan. About time I take control of the wheel, guys. Alright? The GPS, they all speak Japanese. So I guess by the time we're done with driving around using the GPS, more or less you'll pick up a little bit of Japanese, guys. Alright guys, we are at Odawara Castle, just the outer moat. You can see the wall, the brick, it's a granite wall, that's the moat. And in front of us you can see this big great blue heron. And next to the heron you can see a little duck, taking deep water. Hi guys, I'm standing right now on this bridge called the Ochasubo Bridge. This bridge was used to carry tea leaf to serve to the Tokugawa shogun during the Edo period. Alright guys, looks pretty sturdy, right guys? Alright, let's after this bridge we'll be proceeding to the castle. Right guys, we're gonna check it out. Follow me. So over on my left hand side here, you can see the Odawara Castle Tokiwagi Mon Gate, alright? The Evergreen Gate. So let's go in and check it out, guys. Behind me is the Odawara Castle. It was built in 1447 during the Japanese warring period to the Edo period, right guys? It's set amidst all the pine tree, right? These are called the matsu, or the pine tree, right? It symbolizes longevity, courage, and endurance. Let's go check out the castle, guys. Hi guys, we just got a ticket. Ticket for adult is 510. Now you want to see the samurai gallery, it's another 100 yen, alright? So it's 610 yen, alright?
The museum inside the Odawara Castle showcases its history. You will see many pieces of traditional armor and weapons and historical artifacts on display, and learn much about the fascinating history of ninjas and samurais in ancient Japan. After soaking in the history, check out the observatory deck for a panoramic view of the city and the Sagami Bay.
We are now at the top of this Odawara Castle Tower in Hakone, standing about 24.7 meters. Behind me you can see the outlying island of Japan, right? Over there is Mura Peninsula, and over the far distance, I don't know if you can see it, is the Izu Island. Alright guys, right, we came out from there just now, and right now we are at the top. It's pretty windy here today and it's really cold. Right guys, so next time you guys come here at Hakone, check out this place, Odawara Castle Tower. Behind me is the Samurai Gallery. Alright, just guys, samurai, the warrior, during the Edo time. And then yeah, those not ninja though, but those guys with the sword. Alright, let's go and check them out, guys. After visiting Odawara Castle, we went in search for coffee. Driving Hakone is such a pleasure. The roads, as you can see, are very well maintained and the scenery is beautiful. Check out this Tonsan railway train. It connects Hakone Yumoto with Gora and is Japan's oldest mountain railway. We didn't have time to ride on it, but if you do, don't miss it, as we heard it's a very scenic ride. So we're driving along the mountain road up in Hakone and spotted this really cute tin caravan. Hey guys, it parked along the road, so we thought we'd try it out. Now this is called the Cafe Romancecar. Guys, after a coffee break, you can actually drive that way to the open air museum of Hakone, right? Unfortunately today is kind of late, they close at 5, so if you guys want to go to the open air museum of Hakone, come a little bit early, but stop over here and have a coffee first. So let's go in and check out this cool little joint, guys. Little settee here, you can sit and yeah, the boss is here cooking a sandwich. Very nice. It's pretty warm in here, so next time you guys happen to be in Hakone, try out this cafe. It's called the Romancecar Cafe. You can check it out and Google, right guys?
Every cup of coffee here is carefully brewed by the friendly owner himself. The freshly grilled cheese sandwich is hot and yummy and goes very well with the amazing coffee. And we love the coziness of this Caravan Cafe.
Here comes the Tonsan railway train again. After our coffee break, we decided to drive to the Ryokan for check-in as it was nearing sunset. This is the Ryokan where we're staying for 2 nights. It's called Susukinohara Ichinoyu. It comes with onsen. There are also ample parking spaces available, free of charge for guests.
So we just checked into our ryokan here at Hakone. I must say the service is very good because our luggages, which is sent by courier, is already in our room. We actually arranged with the hotel in Tokyo to help us to send the luggages by courier. And by the time we reach here, our bags are already in the room, which is a pleasant surprise. Check-in process was relatively fast and easy. And over here, there's an amenity section where you collect your yukata and toothbrush and stuff like that, and then you can bring them back to your room for your own personal use. And over here there's also a free drinks bar, vending machine, and also a place where they sell some souvenirs and toiletries and stuff like that. Yeah, so anyway, I think that's a pretty nice place. And for our package, we have breakfast and dinner included, and dinner will be served at 5:45 at the restaurant over there behind the door, and breakfast as well. So guys, we're going to check out our room now and then keep you guys updated. See ya.
Hi, welcome to our room. Let's go and check it out. Konnichiwa.
After our room's entrance foyer or genkan, the shoji sliding door opens into a spacious bedroom with futon beds and a cozy living area. We love this room and its high ceiling very much. Now let's check out the Japanese style bath area and our private onsen. This looks so inviting. Can't wait to soak in it after dinner. Our room's vanity area and toilet are located right next to the genkan. Let's check it out.
It's something different. It comes in the normal hotel room, you expect carpet or tiles. This is tatami mat. I think this is the typical ryokan, the Japanese tradition, right guys? I really like it. It's a lot of pine wood. It's a Japanese pine and it's really nice. The older the pine is, the color looks so much better. And the cool thing is that we have what we call our own onsen. The hot tub that you can actually go right in and soak in there. You don't need to adjust the hot water. It's natural and it's very therapeutic for your body as well, I was told, So yeah, pretty nice. I mean, quite amazed with the architecture here. It's very simple but yet very homely, right guys? So next time when you want typical Japanese kind of a room to stay in, do pop by here at Hakone and check out this place, right? We'll put the contact detail in our description, guys. So, yep. Well, time to unpack a little bit, and 5:45 is dinner time. It comes with dinner and breakfast, right, guys?
It looks really nice, like a kaiseki dinner with all these cold dishes and sukiyaki with the beef, which will be cooking inside this broth, and also oden or something like that, right? And you need to boil for 10 minutes before we can eat it. And sashimi, my husband's favorite. I think there'll be some fish coming along as well. It comes with steamed rice and all you can drink, alcohol, sake, and green tea, and also some soft drinks. It's unlimited, right? So looks good, right? And if you like sake, this will be a good time to have unlimited sake.
Honestly, I'm very impressed by the spread that they gave us. It's all included in the package. Alright guys, some kind of what they call deep water fish. You can tell it because the eyeball is really big. Don't know the name of the fish, but I guess it's from the Japan Sea. So we'll try out the eyeball, guys. Pretty good. Oishi, ne? Yep.
Overall, it was a truly delicious dinner with more than we can eat.
Well guys, the just had dinner and step out here is pretty cold. Much colder than Tokyo. I guess because it's up in the mountain. Right guys, so next time you come to Hakone, make sure you carry a thicker jacket, right? And some thermal underwear, guys. Alrighty, see you guys, bye.